Today I want to show you how you can animate your desktop background in both Windows 11 and also Windows 10. By default in Windows you can set a picture, a solid color or a slideshow as your background. Those are all kind of boring. A video is way cooler than that. First we'll look at how you can get this app. Then we'll look at some of the customizations. And lastly we'll also look at what type of impact it has on your system's performance. Alright, let's check this out. To get lively wallpaper, head to this website. First of all you need internet connection and a web browser like Google Chrome. I have Google Chrome. Open it and go to the search box. Type rockstanister.github.io/lively in the search box and click on enter. I've also included a link down below in the description. There are many different apps that provide this type of functionality, but I think Lively Wallpaper is the best. It's free. It's open source. It offers tons of customization. It's also really simple to use. It supports multiple monitors. When website is open, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll find the download section. And here you have two different options. You can get the installer or you can get it through the Microsoft Store. So which option should you choose? I am getting it through the installer. Click on installer to download it. It will take some time, depends on your internet speed. After download, install it. Click on it. Click on next. Check on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Select directory where you want to install the software. And click on next. Again next and click on install. It will take some time to install. After install, check on no. I will restart the computer later and click on finish. Now go to the desktop and open Lively Wallpaper. Click on next and keep it by default and click on next. Now go to taskbar and right-click on Lively icon to continue. There are so many wallpapers. To apply one of the animated backgrounds, you simply click on it. You can also right-click on a background, and you can customize it here. Each background offers its own set of customizations. Some of the backgrounds even interact with your mouse movements. The default backgrounds are all pretty nice, but you might get tired of them. Over on the left-hand side, you can click on the plus icon and you can add even more backgrounds here. Down below you can also enter in a website address if there's a video there. For example, you could type in a YouTube video URL. And YouTube has tons of great looping videos. Down below you can also click on more wallpapers and this will take you to the developers Reddit page where you'll find all sorts of additional looping videos that you can use on your desktop. In the intro, I think it offers a pretty nice background and I think it's worthwhile. If you now have a much cooler background than you did when you started this video, please give it a thumbs up. To watch more videos like this in the future, please consider subscribing. See you next time. Thank you.